In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete the unnecessary files from the Love-Langshop media gallery. Let's say I want to delete the picture of the I Love-Langshop T-shirt with the inscription in Arabic, because I don't have that T-shirt in my inventory anymore. Please note that when you delete the files from the media gallery, they're removed from the store's content also. To remove the file, I need to go to the Settings section and open the Files gallery. In the search field, I type Love-Langshop and find the picture which I want to delete. I select it by clicking the checkbox. The Actions button appears above the list of files. Now I have two options. I can click Actions and then click Remove Selected, or I can click on the trash icon next to the file's name. As you can see, the picture has been deleted. Now I will add the picture of the available T-shirt. To do that, I will go to the Products page. On the Products page, I find the product, open its page, click the Arabic tab, and upload the image.